The next set of units are the metric units that are used to measure capacity. Capacity is the way that we measure volume. In the U.S. customary system, we do this with gallons and quarts and pints and cups and fluid ounces. In the metric system, our base unit is going to be the liter. All of you have probably seen a 2-liter bottle of soda before. I happen to have here with me a 500 milliliter, so half of a liter of water. So a bottle that would be twice this size would be a liter of water. And that's going to be our base unit for capacity. The liter is about the same as a quart in the U.S. customary system. Now the milliliter, the prefixes that we used for the length are still going to be the same when we're measuring capacity. So if you look down here on the chart, they'll show you that milli in liters is 1,000th of a liter, just like millis in the length was 1,000th of a meter. So if we took just 1/500th of this bottle here, that would be a milliliter. The closest equivalent to remember for that is probably 5 milliliters is about 1 teaspoon. So if you're taking medication and you look at the side of a bottle and it says to take 1 teaspoon, that's the same as 5 milliliters. So this cap right here probably holds around 3 milliliters of water, or 3 milliliters, has a 3 milliliter capacity. So thinking of those two units, which ones would be the most appropriate to fill in these two blanks? If it's 151 liters of water, that would be about 300 of these bottles, which seems like a pretty reasonable amount of water for a washing machine to hold. If we chose milliliters for that, we would be talking about only about 30 capfuls of water, which probably wouldn't be enough to get your clothes very clean. A cup, on the other hand, a coffee mug, would hold 350 milliliters, because this bottle here was 500 milliliters, and a coffee cup being a little bit more than half of this bottle is probably a pretty reasonable amount.